Hey y'all, it's Reba. Thanks for checking out the Drinkin' Vegan channel. Today we're going to make some Tuscan bean and kale soup. My mother-in-law's coming for lunch and I wanted something kind of warm and comforting. It's going to be a little bit of a kick your feet up, and I don't know, there might be a mimosa involved later. Check it out. So first we have to get a medium onion chopped. So we'll get that onion going in the pan. Now I don't use oil when I cook. I just use water to saute. Ooh, it smells so good. Next, I'm going to chop up 5 russet potatoes. So we have that onion going real nice here. We're going to add in some garlic, about 2 cloves worth. Now I'm taking the lazy way out and I have some already minced garlic. Ooh, it smells so good. The onions are nice and translucent. And they just smell good, so you know everything else is okay to put in. So now we're going to add in some water. Quite a bit. Might even need more. And I like this better than bouillon, vegetable base. I'll add in just a couple little teaspoons of that. And that's gonna be our vegetable broth. You could use homemade vegetable stock. You could buy a box of it, can of it, whatever you like. And then those 5 potatoes that I chopped up, we're gonna go ahead and add those in. Make sure they're good and covered. Might need just a little bit more water here. You want them to have plenty of room to boil. So we're going to turn the heat back up a little bit. And we're going to bring that to a nice boil. Now that the potatoes are boiling, we're going to reduce heat to a simmer and cover and let this go for about 20 minutes. So now the potatoes have been simmering for 20 minutes. This morning, I cooked up some white beans in the Instant Pot. I soaked them overnight. I drained the liquid. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon of garlic powder. And a cup of plant milk. Next, we're going to take about half of the soup and put it in a blender. If you had an immersion blender, that would work really, really well here. But I don't, so we're going to do this. But once we blend it, and add it back in, we're going to have a really nice creamy soup. So I blend it up. A portion of the soup to make it a little creamier. Next, we're going to put in some kale. We've got this on medium heat. Just gonna rip it up. This has already been cleaned and washed. I bought the pre-chopped and just picked out the stems because I really don't like the stems. I'm gonna do just a few handfuls. And we're gonna let this continue to hang out and cook. And also we're gonna put in some fresh rosemary. I'm gonna kind of do just the same thing. I'm gonna rip it up in little tiny pieces. Oh, it smells so good. Love a warm, creamy soup served with a beautiful fresh arugula and fruit salad with a homemade dressing. Oh, and there are some mimosas. Thank y'all so much for watching.